Hi and welcome back to my channel, The Queen Phoenix. Today we're going to make this little bunny crochet Easter basket. And I've added some carrots to fill his little brains with. The nice part about this is that if you have a look on either side of the ears, there's a piece and you can push the one ear in and actually close it. In order to make this, you will require some sort of eyes and a crochet hook and some crochet wool, a darning needle or a stick-on piece of nose, whatever you're going to use for your nose, whatever color. It's worked in all one piece and is extremely simple to make. So let's make this. For this project, don't forget your yarn and your hook. I'm making this one in pink. 2 googly eyes, a stitch marker or a piece of yarn works fine also, a darning needle with whatever color wool you're going to use to make your nose with. You will start this by making a magic circle or a magic ring. If you don't know how to do this, please there's a tutorial on my channel, or slow down this video so that you can actually see. Let me just do it again so that you actually have a good look. You just hold your wool with your thumb against your 2 fingers. Wrap it once. When you come back to your thumb section, cross it over, hold, and you're going to go under the first one, grab the second loop and pull it up. Chain 1 and secure your work. Now chain 1 and make 10 single crochets in your ring. 10 please. When you come back and you've done your 10 single crochets, pull to tighten and make a slip stitch into your very first single crochet. Right, now you're going to chain 1 and you're going to make 2 single crochets in each stitch across. So into your first stitch you can add your stitch marker. So 2 single crochets in every stitch across, right around until you get back to your stitch marker. When you get back to the end of your row, slip stitch into your first stitch and to join, chain 1. This will be row 3 now that we're going to do. So row 3 to 7, so it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The next 5 rows, you're going to make 1 single crochet in each stitch around, and I'll meet you at the end of row 7. Don't forget, it's 1 single crochet right around until you get to row number 7. This is row 3. So 5 rows and that's where I'll get you. For row 8, remove your stitch marker, chain 1, first join your work, then chain 1. Please put your slip stitch, you don't necessarily have to put it back. If you don't want to put your stitch marker, it's fine at this stage. For this row, you're going to decrease. So single crochet, 2 together, and then single crochet in the next 3 stitches. And you're going to repeat that right around your work. A single crochet, 2 together, and then 3 single crochets, each in their own stitch. When you get to the end of your row, remove your stitch marker and slip stitch. Chain 1. Put your stitch marker back in. Now the only thing you're going to do is make 1 single crochet in each of your stitches right around for this row, and this will be row number 10. It's very quick. On the next row we're going to do the ears, and that's done. Now for your ears, remove the stitch marker, again slip stitch to join. You're going to chain 13. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 chain stitches. Then you're going to make half a double crochet in the rest of your chain stitches until you get right to the end. Once you're back at the end, you're going to skip 2 stitches on the rim of your basket. So it's 1, 2, and you're going to single crochet in the next stitch. Now single crochet in the next 5 stitches on your basket rim. Chain 13. And repeat the ear. 1 double crochet in the 4th chain from your hook. 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 chain. 1 double crochet, half a double crochet in the rest of the chain. Half a double crochet in the rest of your chain. Again, you will repeat this, what you did previously. Skip 2 stitches and go in with a slip stitch into the next one, and now single crochet along the rest of those stitches. When you get to your ear, single crochet along this part here. In each of them until you get to the top. Once you're at the top, it's where the 3 double crochets are. You're going to simply make, you have a choice. In this one, I made 1 single crochet in the 1st chain, then I made 3 single crochet in the middle chain. In the 3rd chain, I made 1 single crochet. You can do that, or you can just put 3 single crochets right across here. Like that. That is your choice. You'll single crochet right down the other side of your ear as well, until you get to the edge of your basket. Right, we're nearly at the edge. At the edge of the basket, I'd like you to slip stitch and then slip stitch along the ridge of your brim. I'd like to take this time to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're a returning viewer, hit that subscribe button. This channel is updated weekly with new patterns and free tutorials. Again, when you can't get to your next ear, please single crochet along those chain. While I'm here, I'd just like to say thank you for watching this video and supporting me. It does really mean a lot. If you have any questions, comments, queries, constructive criticism, please, the comments are there for you to use. In the top 3 again, top 3 chain, please make 3 single crochets. And again, 1 single crochet along the other edge of the ear. Now, please slip stitch along the brim of your basket. You'll see the one, and then make chain 1 and cut your yarn. You will see the one rim of your basket is broader than the other, which is just perfectly fine. Work your tail away. For this purpose, I'm just gonna move it to the back of my project for the moment. I'll work it in last. So the one side is broader than the other side. After making the first basket and putting on the eyes, I was not happy that the one side, when I close it, that it doesn't close because of once the eyes go on, it looks kind of weird. So with the eyes, it moves the eyes. So I decided to make it broader to the front. You can leave it like this, or you are more than welcome to stick on a pair of eyes and use your darning needle to put in a nose. So I'm going to quickly put in a nose here. So I'm just judging with my eye. So it's 2 to come down here. Right, so I'm happy with the way it's there. And I'm going to make a small little nose. Just like that. You'll go back in. You're going to make the side of your nose. I'm just going to go one that way. Come back. Remember, it's up to you how big a nose you want, how small a nose you want. Completely up to you. And that's it. And cut. Work your yarn and cut it off. Here you go. Eyes glued on, nose done. A bit skew, which works out perfectly for me. Thank you so much for watching. This is the Queen Phoenix out. I'll get you on the next video. Peace.